Hi YouTubers, here it is, the Kyosho Blizzard FR out in the snow. It's cold out here. We just got our first measurable snow for the third time. I'm going to give this thing a try. We're going to see how it goes. This is stock setup. For any of you guys that have one of these, I have a question. When I put the, and you'll see it, when I put the blade down, it doesn't stay down. It pops back up. Is it supposed to do that? So for all you guys that have one of these, if you can let me know, I'd appreciate it. I'm going to try and keep this thing in focus if I can. I'm not very good at this. I have it on a tripod. We're going to give her a try here. We're all set up. Been sitting outside for a while, about 10 minutes. I use silicone on this. It's a silicone spray, so the snow won't stick. I will show you what it is. You can get it at Menards, pretty cheap. Okay, turn the power on. Power's on. Done. And we're gonna give her a try here. Whoops. My first time having this out, guys, so yeah, I think we're just gonna, wow, I keep hitting it down, but by accident, I'm not sure what's going on with that. There we go. Oh, it's really easy to hit that down. Sorry about the traffic, I live on a really busy road. It's really easy hitting that blade, that plow blade. I don't like that. I've got just about everything to switch this over to a different system. So, like I said, bear with me, guys. This is all new to me, okay? I can definitely see where the pistol grip is going to be a lot better than this. It's got plenty of power for being stock in my book. Whoa, yeah, see, it's too easy to hit that. The snow is just a little bit on the sticky side, not really that much. The wind has been drying it out. See, it drops down too far. I don't like that. I'm going to definitely do something about that. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I don't like this setup. Whew, cold out here. That wind is cold, guys. It's freezing. We got our plow guy out here. He's going to be doing his own work there eventually. So if you hear something in the background that sounds like me, it's not me. It's our, we live in a trailer park. And the guy's out doing his plowing today. So I'm probably out of range here. You probably can't see it. I got somebody stopped out front checking it out. I'm on a stick. or bad news?
Yeah. I got a 30. Yeah. All like that. Something like that.
Well, they're discussing. The plow guy is discussing his equipment with another guy. Oh yeah, see it? It's too easy to drop that down too far. And it doesn't stay down. I don't like that. You can't set it to one setting and keep it that way. It wants to go back up. So I don't like that at all. Okay, anyways, that's it. I'm not going to show you anymore because it gets boring after a while watching it. I'm going to put this on hold and I'm going to show you what kind of silicone I use. So that's it. That was my first time out with this. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. And I'll just go ahead and shut this off real quick and go in the house and show you what I use for silicone. Seems like it works pretty good. I'll let you know when I get in the house. Alright. Alright, so here's the liquid wrench silicone spray that I used on the Kyosho Blizzard. It seems like it works pretty good. I'm going to bring it inside and let it thaw out and see how it goes. It had a little bit of snow on it, but it wasn't that bad. That wind was eating me alive. I just had light pair of gloves on, so I got really cold. But anyways, guys, let me know on the plow blade if that's supposed to stay down or if it's supposed to pop up like it's doing on mine. If there's an adjustment I don't know about, let me know. I'd appreciate any input. If somebody has one of these, I would appreciate any information you have on it. It is going to get switched over to a different system anyways, but let me know. That's stock setup. There's no lights on it yet. All that's coming. I've got a lot of improvements coming on it. So thanks for your time. Appreciate it. Tune in later. Bye.